Welcome to Ayrshire Garage Doors, one of Scotland's premier garage door installation companies. We constantly meet all industry standards and always work towards giving you high levels of customer service and satisfaction. Whichever type or style of garage door you are looking for, we offer a comprehensive selection of up and over, sectional, roller and automated doors. Whether for your home or business, our installations are always of the highest quality, efficient and cost-effective to your needs. Call us or visit our website to find out more.